Question 8. Taxus wallichiana ZUCC, Himalayan yew, is a medicinal plant found in which of the following states? Answer. C. Himachal Pradesh. Question 2. Which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Answer. 8. Nucleus lipid metabolism. Question 10. Which of the following battles is considered the formal beginning of the British Raj in India? Answer B. Battle of Plassey. Question 4. Which of the following Indian states has the least number of operational airports as of 2022? Answer C. Mizoram. Question 5. Who among the following, while praising the amending feature of the Indian Constitution, said that this variety in the amending process is wise but is rarely found? Answer C. K.C. Weir. Question 6. Tabla player Ustad Zakir Hussain was awarded which of the following awards by the Government of India in 2023? Answer C. Padma Vibhushan. Question 7. Gyang Bai Hangal and Prabha Atre were exponents of the which gharana? Answer C. Kirana. Question 8. Which of the following famous Indian athletes won the Zurich Diamond League Final 2022 in September 2022? Answer C. Kirana. Question 8. Which of the following famous Indian athletes won the Zurich Diamond League Final 2022 in September 2022? Answer A. 19th World Championships 1952. Question 10. Which soil is best suited for cotton? Answer B. Rigor. Question 11. When haloalkanes and aryl and vinyl halides react with magnesium metal, they yield which reagent? Answer B. Grignard reagent. Question 12. How many chambers are there in the heart of fishes? Answer B. 2. Question 13. As per the report of the Niti Aayog in 2023, which among the following states in India has the lowest percentage of the total population that is multidimensionally poor? Answer B. Kerala. Question 14. What is the unit of measurement for optical power of the lens? Answer D. Diopter. Question 15. The Government of India allowed automatic approval of % of FDI by Reserve Bank of India in 9 categories of industries. Answer D. Up to 74. Question 16. Who among the following was the last Sultan of Delhi Sultanate? Answer D. Ibrahim Lodi. Question 17. Which of the following Cups trophies is not related to the Indian domestic cricket? Answer B. Durand Cup. Question 18. In the context of water bodies, neap tides occur. Answer D. When the sun and moon are at right angles to each other. Question 19. Chittani Ramchandra Hegde was associated with which of the following dances? Answer C. Yakshagana dance. Question B. The idols of which three gods are installed in Jagannath Temple, Puri? Answer. C. Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra. Question 21. Anna Chandi, the first Indian woman to serve as a judge at a high court, was appointed in which high court? Answer. B. Kerala. Question 22. As of July 2021, the Nipun Bharat scheme was launched by which of the following ministries? Answer. B. Ministry of Education. Question 23. Which article of the Constitution of India expressly provides that the President is eligible for re-election? Answer. D. Article 57. Question 24. In which of the following cities did Mahatma Gandhi lead the peasant movement against the imposed indigo cultivation by the British planters? Answer. D. Champaran. Question 25. According to the ashram system of Vedic life, which of the following was the third stage of life? Answer. D. Vanaprastha. Question 26. Who developed the theory of combustion as a chemical reaction with oxygen in the 18th century that excluded phlogiston theory? Answer. A. Antoine Lavoisier. Question 27. Which state has the largest waste land area? Answer. C. Rajasthan. Question 28. Which of the following schemes enables students' mobility across higher education institutions? Answer. D. Academic Bank of Credits. Question 29. Which of the following constitutions inspired the lawmaking process in India? Answer. B. British Constitution. Question 30. Color of the urine is yellow because of? Answer. B. Urochrome. Question 31. Ernest Rutherford used about thick gold foil for alpha scattering experiments. Answer. B. 1000 atoms. Question 32. In May 2022, then President Ram Nath Kovind appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Answer. D. Vinay Kumar Saxena. Question 30. How many players are there on each side of the Kabaddi team in the field? Answer. B. 7. Question 34. Which of the following events took place in the United Provinces in February 1922? Answer. B. Chauri Chaura. Question 35. The Mahalanobis model was the basis for which 5-year plan? Answer. B. Second 5-year plan. Question 36. In which state of India was the Nirumiru program introduced for construction of water harvesting structures? Answer. A. Andhra Pradesh. Question 37. Lata Mangeshkar was honored with the Bharat Ratna in the year? Answer. A. 2001. Question 38. In which of the following districts of Rajasthan are the Barchans found? Answer. B. Jaisalmer. Question 39. Which types of unemployment is found in India when people are employed for a certain period of a year in tourist resorts and various tourism-related activities in the mountain regions, but are unemployed in off-seasons? Answer A. Seasonal unemployment. Question 40. When was the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy established? Answer C. 1954. Question 41. Posh Mela is a unique festival celebrated in which of the following Indian states? Answer C. West Bengal. Question 42. Which is the largest river basin in India? Answer D. Ganga Basin. Question 43. Which river originates at Amarkantak? Answer C. Narmada. Question 44. Which planet is known as the Earth's twin? Answer C. Venus. Question 45. How long will a sound wave take to travel 1.5 km, which has a frequency of 5 kHz and wavelength of 6 cm? Answer C. 5 seconds. Question 46. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the conduct of business of the government of a state? Answer D. Article 166. Question 47. Hariprasad Chaurasia, an Indian flutist in the Hindustani classical tradition, was awarded with which of the following awards in 2000? Answer B. Padma Vibhushan. Question 48. Which of the following terms is not related to cricket? Answer D. Dues. Question 49. Vasudev I, who issued coins in gold, dinars, and quarter dinars, and copper, single denomination, was a king. Answer D. Kushna. Question 50. What is the reason for the similar size of the vascular bundle in monocote leaves? Answer D. Parallel venation.